Hi everyone, my name is Chris Mitchell. I'm a managed service consultant here at ProVal Tech. Today, just wanted to do a quick recap on an older plugin for Automate for StorageCraft. So if you go to your System and Solution Center, there has been a fairly recent update to the StorageCraft plugin to support newer versions of Image Manager and SPX definitions. So if you add this to your query and load it, and then relaunch your control center. After that, and you open it up, you'll get to a window that looks like this. It's going to give you a high-level overview of your backup solutions. Older Shadow Protect 5 should be fairly discontinued by now. And now there's the newer SPX versions, and in newer plugins, it'll be rebranded to ArcServe as well. If you click on this tile, you're going to get to another screen. And that screen here is going to give you more details around these parameters. So jobs that haven't updated in a while, volumes that are backed up, volumes that may not be backed up, and computers that could be missing backup jobs, or where the plugin is not able to gather information from the local installed SPX. If you scroll down in here, these are the more informative areas of where it's going to show you computers where they may not have running SPX job set up. And then the volume protection is a really good area to review on a regular basis. If drives are added or removed or changed on systems, they could fall out of backup. In this case, we have a server where the C drive is not being backed up currently. If that was a known thing, you didn't want it to back up, then you would want to uncheck this box over here, and it would change it to a no field for the requires backup. Then you can tailor internal monitors or data views to give you that data and show you servers where you may be purposely excluding drives from backup. And I would suggest running those on a regular basis, especially an internal monitor could be set up to create a ticket and have your backup staff review the backup on a regular basis, maybe once a week or so, that if a drive was not being backed up, it would send them a ticket for review. If we scroll back up to this previous area, you can see jobs that have not run in a while. These would be good servers where you should go remove SPX, remove them from Automate if they're no longer checking in to Automate, and just do general cleanup. Again, good idea to stay on top of it. It'll make your reports more accurate and save some headache for the team on doing those backup reviews. If you do have any questions or need help on setting up those types of monitors, feel free to reach out. We do a full Automate administration program where we can help customize and set up reports and data views and monitors for your use. Have a good day.